29 forecast.
Well, at 7:41, it is time now for a traffic and weather update. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. An inch or two of snow is causing some slick conditions. However, VDOT did a great job yesterday pre-treating the roadways, and you can see looking outside live at I-64 at Afton and also I-81 in Stanton. We're seeing mainly clear conditions, but watch those icy patches, mainly on those bridges, overpasses. Same thing at North Garden, Route 29 and 692. Here's I-81 southbound at Harrisonburg. Watch those side streets, those curves, and those back roads. Watch out for some refreezing after some initial melting of that snow yesterday, which we picked up as expected, an inch or two, locally 3, an inch in downtown Seville, and Palmyra, Stanton, Orange, inch and a half, 2 at Hollymead, into areas north of Charlottesville, and Massanutten picked up a good 3 inches of an accumulation, so good for skiing. And this snow will be with us over the next couple of days as the temperature is going to be more like a freezer out here. Your temperatures right now at 7:42 are in the teens and 20s, but the wind, there's already a wind chill. It makes it feel like it's in the single numbers in parts of the area. NBC 29's live Doppler radar shows a leftover flurry, especially here into Culpeper County. So northern counties, Madison, perhaps Greene, Orange, you might see a leftover flurry, but that's really about it. No additional snow accumulation. And watch those roads also into central Virginia. There's a look at Route 29 and Rio Road. So yeah, relatively clear, but there's a sheen of wetness, if you will, on the roadways. And with the temperature below freezing, that could ice up. So keep that in mind. The road may look wet, but it could be a little icy. So allow some extra time if you have to drive this morning. And the winds are going to huff and puff, and that's going to help to dry the surfaces on off. So I don't expect a widespread refreeze tonight. There's that all-out blizzard. It's a bona fide blizzard in nor'easter from down east Maine, Massachusetts, on down into areas of the eastern shore of Maryland and Virginia. Blizzard warnings from those areas, the Delmarva all the way to Maine. Here's a refresher on what a blizzard criteria is. It's basically wind and visibility. That's what it has to do with. You have to have winds or frequent wind gusts of at least 35 miles per hour, visibility of a quarter mile or less, lasting at least 3 hours. Now, the amount of snow is not a factor. So it's basically wind and visibility has to do with a blizzard. And look at that, classic. This is a textbook case of a massive blizzard developing. It could be one of the biggest in Boston's history. They could be expecting up to 2 or 3 feet of snow over southeastern Massachusetts. There's the additional snow. You can see that stripe. That is in the 12 to 18 category of new snowfall on top of what they already have. Today's forecast, sunshine breaks out. There could be a flurry tomorrow morning. That's going to be about it as a weak weather disturbance passes on by. So tomorrow, less in the way of sunshine, followed by a warm up. Here's Thursday night. Widespread rain is likely as it warms up to almost 60 degrees on Thursday. And until then, your Storm Team 29 report today, clearing gusty winds with daytime highs below freezing. Wind chills tonight could be as cold as -20 over the Blue Ridge Mountains. Overnight lows, single numbers to mid-teens. Wind chills near or below 0 area-wide. Tomorrow, look at this. Yeah, there's a wind chills at midnight tonight in the lower elevations, near or below 0. So bundle up if you have to go outside. But those are dangerously cold wind chills. For tomorrow, highs will inch their way above freezing under a partly to mostly cloudy sky. 7-day forecast back in the 20s tomorrow night. Partly sunny on Monday in the 40s. Approaching 50 on Tuesday. In the low 50s on Wednesday. Almost 60 on Thursday, but rain is on the way, and it's going to be a spring-like rain. When you go from temperatures this cold to 50s, it's going to feel warm to us.
That is exactly what I was about to say. That 58-degree weather is looking mighty nice right now after seeing some below 0 temperatures in some places.
That'll help to wash some of that salt off our cars.
Yeah, excited about that for sure. Well, thank you so much, Josh. And spring is